Have you ever wondered how you're saying words? Are you saying them the right way? Are you pronouncing the vowels correctly? Today we are going to correct your pronunciation. Hello again, my name's Margaret. Welcome to my channel. Today we're correcting your pronunciation. Let's practice. So these are vegetables. They're not vegetables, they're vegetables. The word is vegetable. You try. Vegetable. In a sentence, I can see lots of vegetables in the picture. Women. It's not woman. Woman is one, singular. One woman. In the picture, there's lots of women. The word is women. You try saying one woman, lots of women. Well done. When you're at work, you have a colleague, not colleague, not colleague, colleague. You try saying that word, colleague. Receipt. It's not receipt. We don't pronounce the P. It's not receipt. It is receipt. The P should not be pronounced. Receipt. Divorce. Divorce. It's not divorce, divorce or divorcee. It's divorce. 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 You try. Divorce. Sword. And don't pronounce the W. It's not it's not sword. It is just sword. Again, a silent letter. Espresso. Now, this is a mistake that many English people make because it's an American term for coffee. Some English people do say espresso, and it's not right. How we should say it is espresso. Espresso. Okay? Espresso. Nice coffee. Espresso. Caramel. Some people pronounce it as caramel. Caramel. It's not caramel. 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 3 syllables in that word. Caramel. Can you try saying that with 3 syllables? Caramel. Caramel. Well done. Raspberry. Raspberry. So it's not raspberry. It's not raspberry. 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 Again, 3 syllables in that word. Raspberry. Raspberry. You try. Raspberry. It's a very nice fruit. Next word, mousse. Now this is a spelling pronunciation. If you do not have 2 S's in the word, it is pronounced mouse. This is a dessert. It has 2 S's and it is pronounced as mousse. Okay? Mousse. So when you're talking about a chocolate mousse with raspberries on the top, make sure you spell it with 2 S's because we do not want a mouse in our recipe in our desserts. We don't want a mouse in our desserts. Mousse. Mousse. A chocolate mousse with raspberry. Resume. A resume. It's not resume. It's not resume. This one is a resume. Resume. And this is about you. When you're going for a job, you need to give your new employer a resume to show them your skills. Resume. 3 syllables again. Thumb. Now it's got another silent letter on there, so we don't say thumb. We don't pronounce the B, we just say thumb. Thumb. Fasten. Again, there's another silent letter. T. We don't pronounce the T. We do not say fasten. We say fasten. Ignore the T. Fasten. I fasten a seatbelt. Fasten. You try. Fasten. Excellent job. Let's try and use the new vocabulary. Let's read together. Repeat or read each sentence. I enjoy eating vegetables every day. I enjoy eating vegetables every day. The women were very happy today. The women were very happy today. If you want to read it yourself, pause the video now and you read those sentences. I enjoyed going to the restaurant with my colleague. I enjoyed going to the restaurant with my colleague. I took care of the receipt and paid the bill. They had a rocky marriage, so they filed for a divorce. They had a rocky marriage, so they filed for a divorce. This character has a sword. This character has a sword. I enjoy having an espresso when I go to the cafe. I enjoy having an espresso when I go to the cafe. My children enjoy a creme caramel for dessert. My children enjoy a creme caramel for dessert. However, I prefer cheese and biscuits. However, I prefer cheese and biscuits. My mum enjoys a mousse for dessert, especially with raspberries on the top. My mum enjoys a mousse for dessert, especially with raspberries on top. When I showed him my resume, he gave me a thumbs up. When I showed him my resume, he gave me a thumbs up. After my appointment, I got back in my car and fastened my seatbelt before driving away. After my appointment, I got back in my car and fastened my seatbelt before driving away. Well done, everyone. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and we'll do more vocabulary and reading next time. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. I did. I look forward to seeing your comments. I reply to every comment that is written, so if you do have a comment, please mark it in the comments box below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching today. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Bye bye for now.